Hello and welcome to Quick Anatomy Hub. Today let's discuss the fertilization. Fertilization is the fusion of male and female haploid gametes to form a zygote, marking the start of a new organism. This process takes place in the fallopian tubes of female reproductive tract. You can see here hundreds of sperms reaches the oocyte to fertilize it, but only one will get successful. When a female oocyte, which is released from ovaries at the time of ovulation, it is arrested in metaphase 2 of meiosis. This haploid oocyte is surrounded by zona pellucida and corona radiata. The zona pellucida, which I have outlined in green color here, it is a thick layer of specialized extracellular matrix surrounding the mature oocyte, and corona radiata is a layer of follicular cells outlining the zona pellucida. It provides nutrients, proteins, and regulatory factors to oocyte. The sperm, when enters a female reproductive tract, it undergoes further processing in order to fertilize the oocyte. The glands of uterus and fallopian tubes releases activating factors that remove seminal protein and glycoproteins surrounding the acrosome, which otherwise prevent the acrosome reaction. The process of fertilization takes 24 hours to complete. The spermatocyte, when when acrosome of spermatocyte encounters the zona pellucida deep to the corona radiata, it attaches to the zona pellucida sperm binding protein 3, also called ZP3. This will lead to acrosome reaction with the help of multiple factors like zona pellucida glycoprotein, calcium ions, sperm, plasma membrane, the progesterone, and prostaglandins, resulting in release of enzymes that lyse the zona pellucida. Now the spermatocyte can enter the oocyte. Also, the zona reaction occurs with the entry of first sperm, that is, the changes in zona pellucida which make it impermeable to other spermatocytes. The fusion of plasma membrane of spermatocyte and oocyte results in degradation at that point. Means the plasma membrane of spermatocyte and oocyte is degraded at the site of fusion where they join. At this point, oocyte completes meiosis 2 and forms a mature oocyte, and the second polar body is extruded. Both spermatocyte and oocyte forms the pronucleus, also called as oocyte. As the pronuclei fuse and chromosomes get mixed, it is called zygote with diploid chromosome. Chromosomal gender is dependent on spermatocyte. If it is 23Y, the genetic sex will be male, while 23X spermatocytes yield a genetic female. Here's a quick review. We have discussed the fertilization, in which the sperm enters the female reproductive tract, then it moves to the fallopian tubes to fertilize the oocyte. The zona reaction occurs when the acrosome enters or touches the zona pellucida, and the entrance of sperm into the oocyte, and the zona pellucida becomes impermeable to other sperms. Then we have the fusion of two pronuclei. The male and female haploid pronucleus are formed, they fuse and they will form the zygote, which is a diploid in number, means 46 chromosomes. So this was the short discussion about fertilization. Hopefully this will be helpful for reviewing or understanding the topic. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you.